Hello, my name is Robert Barslow. I'm a training manager here at Zebra Technologies. Today we're going to demonstrate the cleaning process of your ZXP Series 8 printer and laminator. Maintenance of your ZXP Series 8 printer will help optimize a superior print quality. You will know when it's time to clean your printer when you see a display message on the printer's control panel. You as an operator can also initialize or initiate a cleaning process via the control panel or via the toolbox in the driver. So to clean the heated rollers, you will need to open the cover and remove the transfer film from the printer itself. Close the cover. Select Next on the menu. We need to wait until the printer has cooled down below the 70 degrees Celsius. So now that the printer has cooled down, which can take several minutes, you want to take your hot cleaning roller out of the package. You need to remove the adhesive from the cleaning roller itself. You will find one tab which is bent, and you remove the liner from the cleaning roller. Now insert the card into the front feed slot. Once you've done your heated roller cleaning with your adhesive roller, open the printer and use this adhesive card to also clean your platen roller. Just simply attach the roller below the platen and roll it several times to take any dirt and debris off of the platen roller. To clean the heated roller assembly for the laminator, you need to wait for the temperatures in the laminator to reach 60 degrees or less Celsius. This can take several minutes. Once they have reached that temperature, you need to open up your laminator and remove the heated roller assembly from the printer itself. You will take your laminator cleaning card, remove the adhesive backing from it, and then you will need to insert the adhesive roller into the actual heated rollers themselves. This will be a little difficult to do. And then just roll the adhesive card over, flip it over, and repeat the process. We will now be using the X roller cleaning card to go ahead and clean the side rollers of our ZXP Series 8 printer. So you need to remove the card hopper from the printer, and then you're going to insert your moistened cleaning card in through the feeder. The printer will feed it into itself and scrub. Flip it over and repeat the process. We will now clean the Y drive roller of the ZXP Series 8 printer. You will be using the Y roller cleaning card for this process, so remove your pre-moistened card from the package, insert it through the ATM slot, and hit the clean button on the front of the printer so that it may feed in and clean the rollers. The card is now ejected. Remove it, flip it upside down, press the clean button again, and insert it into the printer to finalize the cleaning process. The cleaning is now done. Discard this cleaning card as it is only a one-time use card. In your cleaning kit of supplies, you will find swabs that are included in the kit. We use these to clean the printhead and other exterior areas of the printer itself. So in preparation for cleaning the printhead, first turn off your printer, then open the printer cover itself and remove the print ribbon from the printer. We now have access to the printhead so we can clean it. All you need to do is now press to activate your swab, and then now you can gently run your swab across the top of the printhead to clean any dirt, debris, or buildup that may have accumulated on that surface. Always allow your printhead to dry before returning the ribbon and returning the power to the unit itself.